So hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be filming my life update. Char, it's a life update that no one asked about. Chara. So, anyways, dagan gyapon na hitabo sa akong life and dagan mga updates. Isa wait kayo, di ka nagkautot. Sige siya, wala pito mo dito ako. Okay naman na. Ay, sorry. Is nakautot ko. Or normal man na siya, guys. Pasabot nga nice ang akong metabolism. Ay! Pero ito na nag-ask, no? Sa akong favorite nga mga patugtog karong mga panahon na mo ni siya, guys. A few weeks ago. Oh, charot. I saw you from wrong and my heart stuck at the side. So, fantasize na ini siya. Charot. Well, anyways, guys, I just went out today. Kay wala naman ko nag-duty kay 4 days off ko, guys. 4 days off because it's, you know, it's Hajj. So, usually ang Hajj kay so anyways, guys, ang Hajj guys, kay 4 days off na siya sa mga workers. So, ato lang mga food, restaurants, some of the boutiques and malls are closed. But usually, guys, they are open katong uban. Pag kinaunsa na nila. But for us, we have 4 days off. And tomorrow, mag-istira kami. So, I will be very busy tomorrow. So, I am just filming this to have new live updates. And one of them is my new sorry guys, kay Hugo, kaya it's my new pink comb. So this is recommended by my best friend. Kay since I colored my hair, I got really frizzy hair and I really can comb it like so easily. It's so hard, but right now since I am using this already, it made my hair super, like, it changed a lot. Like sa una, guys, dili gini na ko siya masudlay og tarong because ambot lang, because a lot of, you know, a lot of chemicals already in my hair. So daghan na jud kaayo ko gibutang ani para lang maayo siya. And nagpa-rebond na sad ko diri, and dili siya recommended, guys, for those who are asking if it's recommended nga magpa-rebond diri sa Saudi. Siguro, pero katong ko na ko kay bakat-bakat magud ko magpa-rebond kay kini laging kanang super kamahal ang kunder. Anyways, guys, this is gift from my patient. Oh my god, it's super nice. You know, guys, I love black and gold. More gina siya kung mga favorite color. Kung ganahan mo mag-gift sa ako, ganahan ko mga red lipstick. And anyways, ganahan ko ako ni siyang i-flex sa inyo, ha, because I have been using this for a week already since it came to me. I ordered this from the Philippines and I've heard a lot of comments about it. Na nice gid ko na siya for losing weight. Kay guys, nawala na jud akong confidence mag-bikini because I have big tummy na because I eat a lot here. Gina-try na ko nga dili magkaon, pero isod man, guys, for my personality, I know myself, I love eating, and lisod kayo siya i-suppress. But mao na jud ni siya akong secret. Mao na siya akong i-reveal sa inyo, guys. Dili unta ko ganahan ma-reveal kay gusto ko ray sexy, pero sige na lang, ganahan ko nga malipay sad mo sa inyong mga body, no, just like me nga murag gibalik-balik na jud ang confidence ang akong self just because of this. I feel like I've lost weight already. I don't know. I just feel like I'm so lightweight already right now. And this one is this one. Ano ni siya, guys? Mao ni siya. So, ambot lang. Every morning I take this. It's just a drink. It's just a powder drink mix from Australia. I don't know where exactly. Pero naganahan ko niya, guys, because it's not laxative, but it's a drink that will suppress, or exactly for me, it will really suppress your urge to eat, or your, you know, hunger. I don't know, because I'm really a hungry person. Like, my friends would really attest to that, na grabe jud ko mukaon, guys. Grabe jud ka, lami jud ko appetite. Nya dili ko dali og kanang, dili ko nice og metabolism kanang dugay ko malibang anam nya, more minsan constipated ko, but it really helped me. Kay kay ganahan ko niya, kay maka poops gid ko, guys, and I don't feel like I'm hungry. Mao jud akong na-feel mo, jud na siya ang pinaka the best ani nga drink, because ambot oy, dili na siya sponsored, guys. Wala ko gitagaan sa barley about ani. Dili na siya sponsored, but I tried it because I really wanted to lose weight. Because I don't want to lose my confidence and everything just because I am gaining weight. I want to just maintain my weight. And today I've decided na why not, I will try this one. So I tried it. It's from the video. It's a bit expensive, but it's really worth it. Para na ko worth it siya, guys, kay naadyo siya effect sa imo. Like, dili gid ako ma-feel like I am eating. You know, when I'm eating before, I feel like I need more. But when I started taking this, murag mga duha pa lang ako kutsara, guys, nabusog na ko. But I attacked it with the food nga healthy para nako, like fruits, veggies, meat. Wala na akong gina-attack karon. And I tried to cut down my sugars and sweets. Kanang ako rin pong akong self na dili kay ko mag-go out, like I will just eat at home and, you know, be healthy, because I felt like dili na jud maayo, guys, ang akong katambok, kay dili na ko ganahan nga dili mo sigo ang akong nawong sa selfie. Charot. Kanang feeling gani, guys, nga marag lain lagi dili na ko ganahan sa akong self. So I realized na I needed to lose weight. So mo na siya akong current drink. And life update pod, I'm really grateful for every blessing that I have. I'm really grateful for everything that God has entrusted me with. And especially my birthday. I celebrated 3 days. And I was like, I don't even deserve it. But the Lord God made it happen. Like, first day pa lang na anay nag-surprise na ako. Second day, gi-surprise ko sa akong family. Third day, gi-surprise ko sa akong friends. And I was really like, I felt the love that people gave me. And then I started like, why can't I give that love that I am willing to give to other people to myself? So that's my realization. I wanted to give that love to myself. I want to give back to myself because I am strong. I am very courageous in everything, and I want to reward myself with a lot of appreciation. Dili lang tungod kay na ako'y nabuhat for myself, but because I deserve to be celebrated. And if no one would celebrate me for who I am, I will. It is my responsibility. And I tend to realize that no matter what you do to other people, no matter how much effort you give to them, they will not appreciate it if they don't want you. They will not give you what you want if they don't want you. So I realized that I should love myself, I should take care of myself, I should pamper myself, and this realization is worth it. I never regretted loving myself because I know that in the end I only have myself. And for other people to love you, you have to love yourself first. That's how you radiate that energy. So nakaanagid ko, guys, nga dili siya sayon, kay sometimes magthink ta, basig inani, basig masuko si ani, basig malain si ani. No? Think of yourself first. What do you feel about that situation? If it's not making you happy, let go of it. If it's not making you or serve you what you want, let go of it, because it's not for you then. So people try to prolong the relationship, prolong every situations just because they love that person, they love that job, they love that circumstance. But no, if it doesn't serve their purpose in your life, let go of it. If they don't want to put effort on you, if they just want to hurt you, let go of them. It's not healthy, baby. It's not healthy that you are trying to compromise yourself just for them to be happy. No. If they try to take you for granted, let go of it. They don't deserve your peace. They don't deserve your energy. It doesn't matter if you're single right now. Right people will come to you in the right time, because the Lord says, at the right time, He will make it happen. So you don't have to worry about anything. You know, I'm also guilty of this, because last time I felt like everyone's just, everyone's just so angry with me. They don't like me. But I told myself, do you hate yourself? I told myself in the mirror, baby, do you love yourself or do you hate yourself? And then I realized it doesn't matter what people think of me. If they try to bring me down, okay, try harder, baby. But ang importante, guys, is you have the heart to give to yourself. Because if that doesn't exist in you, you're losing, baby. The most important thing that you could ever do into your life is to love yourself. Love yourself no matter what happens. Love yourself even if no one else would. Love yourself because at the end of the day, only you can save you. Only you will be there for you. No family, no friends, not everyone. I'm sorry to say this, but it's the real thing. Walay lain mo tabang sa imong kaugalingon, walay laing mo mutuman sa imong mga pangando, ikaw ra. Tama ko or mali ko? Think about it. Lisod siya, lisod kayo, maingon nga, ay, let go na ko si Kuan, kay dili na nako siya love, ay, let go na ko siya, kay dili na ko niya love. If that's what you feel, okay, do it. Do it now. If you don't want that kind of situation, let go. Because as they have said, you deserve what you tolerate. So if you will tolerate them to treat you that way, then it's your fault that you're crying right now. It's your fault that you're being treated like that right now. It's your fault. But if you let go of them, you are giving way to that person, the right person for you, the right blessing for you. You are ready to receive what you deserve. But if you will not let go of that kind of situation, that kind of people in your life, blessing and breakthroughs will be blocked because you don't want to accept it. There's no space. Habibi, let go of that. You are more than that. So I'm not going to talk all night. But if you need to realize things on your own, go into your room, put some meditation music, and listen to yourself. Love yourself. Listen to what your body needs. If you're hungry, if you're thirsty, if you need to read, if you need to meditate, do it. It's for you and it's healthy. Okay? Comment down below if you can relate to this video. Love you guys.